I'm really excited today, and the reason is this. This is a beautiful example of malachite that we picked up at a rock shop in the Upper Peninsula of Lake Superior this summer. So as you can see, there's some lovely banding. Malachite can be extremely beautiful. So my plan today is cut the specimen and then polish the face, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. We also have to be really careful because malachite is actually a copper ore, and we do not want to be breathing in the dust. So we want to pay particular attention to our PPE with this cut. So come along, I'm excited. Let's find out what's inside. All right, let's do this. Well, you can see we had some fractures here, but let's have a look, see what's inside. Oh, look at that. That's nice. That is going to be pretty polished up. Cheers, that's awesome. I love it. Finished cutting this malachite on the 10-inch high-tech diamond saw, and now we're going to move over to the Kingsley North and we're going to give it a polish. Let's do it. Well, that was a lot of fun. I just got myself all cleaned up. I had a lot of malachite dust on me, and that's nasty stuff, so I didn't want to leave that on any longer than I needed to. I want to show you this absolutely beautiful malachite. Well, like I said, this was my first time cutting malachite, and it went really easily. And then polishing it up. I have a bit of a learning curve when it comes to polishing flat faces. As you can see, it's kind of crooked and warped a little bit, well, a lot. So I'm gonna have to go back and do it again. And what I understand is I need to turn it more often, turn it and keep the face moving. But nonetheless, I think it's a beautiful, beautiful polish. Look at that. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Those rings, oh, I just love it. I'm gonna slab this, and so I'll have another chance to do a better job at polishing a flat face, but it's beautiful. And I'm really happy that I did this, and I'm so glad that you came along to watch. Thank you so much. And if you enjoyed, please consider liking and subscribing. I have some Montana agates that I'm really excited to cut, and I think you might like that too. Anyway, cheers. Coffee to go with Julie and MJ. Have a good one.